settings going on.
Hello.
Park the bike, hop off.
Good. All right.
No. Don't do that.
What's the matter? What's up? What's up? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, come on.
I got him. Got those?
What are you doing? Come on. I didn't do anything. What?
You're going to jail now.
Now?
Thank you.
For what?
I told you to shut off the bike and hop off. You decided to take off on me.
I don't even know who you are.
All right. Let's pop off the, please.
Okay, one off road.
But I'm still married free.
I just started to take off.
Motorcycles just tried to take off. He's 10:15 now.
I don't even know who you are. You want me to get you a couple lights?
If you don't mind, yeah, that'd be great. All right, let's try this again. So go and sit up for me. Okay, I'm grabbing. Hold on. Come on. Sit up. Hold on. I don't want to leave him in this. Okay.
You got some?
I just need the wipes real quick and just clean up and then. Thank you.
I do, but you don't want to wipe your hands.
This?
No, that you're fine with.
All right.
The cleaning stuff you don't want to wipe your hands with.
Can we get him set up or whatever? I don't want to leave him there. Thank you. Cool.
I got it with water.
Hang on one second. Let me get myself situated. I wasn't expecting this to go down.
Yeah.
But I guess you never expect anything, right? All right. All right, man. What's your name?
You got an ID in the back pocket.
Okay.
Glenn.
Glenn. That wasn't smart, Glenn.
What?
That wasn't smart.
What?
You just tried to take off on us. Yeah, I'll do your crash. I can easily do the deuce 148 all kind of in one. Maybe suspended too. Probably just came from a casino. Jeez. Looks like you won. I'll get a tow in route. It sounds like they already have one. They already got one. Oh yeah, he's got all his players cards there. So all right. You got a 180 for this too? What's your name, sir? What's your name, sir? Hey, real quick, I'm just here to investigate the crash. Yeah, I'm just here to investigate the crash before they get you up to the hospital. Can you tell me what happened? Which way were you coming from?
Coming that way.
Where were you coming from? Like off Yosemite?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what happened to cause you crash, man? Not sure?
No. I was a goddamn dog over here.
Oh, you were dodging a dog?
Yeah.
Where was the dog at?
Right on the corner right here.
In the corner? What kind of dog was it?
Fast.
Going too fast?